Hi, my name is Sarah. What's your name? Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from, Emma? I'm from Canada. And you? I'm from the United States. That's so cool. Do you live here in the city? Yes, I live near the park. It's very nice. Ah, I love that area. What do you do, Emma? I'm a teacher. What about you? I work in a coffee shop. I love my job. What do you like to do in your free time? I love reading and walking in the park. And you? I enjoy cooking and watching movies. Would you like to have coffee sometime? Yes, I'd love that. Great. Here is my number. Call me. It was so nice meeting you, Emma. You too, Sarah. See you soon. See you. Have a great day. Perfect. Your phrasing is improving so quickly. Keep up the good work.